Hi guys, Larissa at Botanical Pieces here. You know I love my thrifty makeovers, and I have a super fun one for you today that involves this wall art. I guess you could call it wall art. It is somehow a checkerboard, but it is meant to hang on the wall. It's got this wall hangers that are falling off, but it also says handcrafted Mills River, Sri Lanka. So we've got some made in some other place kind of thing, and I'm going to turn it into something completely new. So stick around and I'll show you what I do with it. So there was our checkerboard tray wall art made new. Now it's this functional, fun, botanical tray that you could totally use in your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen to corral all those goodies, or even here as a centerpiece. Many more options to this than that dated wall art. I'm curious, what would you have done? Would you kept the checkerboard, or would you have done something different? Either way, I hope you're inspired, that you saw potential in what was there. It's fun to shop the thrift stores, the garage sales, even the curb, where I like to call trasher. Many people toss out things that still have life, and maybe they're just tired of it. Well, I hope that you are inspired to see past that and see something new, whether it's your things you already own, or maybe go out on a hunt. Find something new for your home. I invite you to stop at the blog, prodigalpieces.com, where I've been sharing lots of other botanical projects to help freshen up the home. I'm going to show you a few of those here. I've been having fun repurposing and creating new. And again, come on over to the blog. I've got a project gallery of all the things I've created in the past. Sign up for my newsletter, where you will get all these things right in your inbox for free, no cost to you at all. You even get a discount to my shop, where this and many other things are available. Furniture, decor, vintage finds, antiques. We ship right to your door. You also get my free furniture buying guide that will help you pick out those potential pieces that can really be spruced up. Also subscribe here on YouTube. I invite you to do that because I have many tutorials here already and many more to come, many more in the works. And I would love to hear from you below. Leave me a comment what you think, questions. I'm always open to questions. You can email me at larissa@prodigalpieces.com. Open to help in any way that I can. But until next time, I hope you had some fun. We'll see ya. Bye.